And hope doing well. Today I will show you how to use atmega8 IC in the Arduino Uno. Usually the Arduino Uno coming with atmega 328, but if we going to burn the bootloader on the atmega8, then we are able to use it for the Arduino Uno. This is atmega 8, and I'm going to burn the bootloader from the Arduino Uno and then replace these two IC with each other, because of when I put the atmega8 to the Arduino Uno, it should have completed and fully run bootstrap, and the bootloader should be fixed. Then I'm able to program the atmega8 inside the Uno. So we should know when we use Arduino atmega8 as Arduino, we have some limitation because of the atmega8 for the size of EEPROM or the analog digital converters have some difference with the atmega 328, but sometimes you need the atmega8 because of the codes that you have is atmega8, and you need to use or need to have the atmega8 inside the Uno. Okay, very good. Let's check the jump ring and the pinout for the atmega8. Of course, we need 4 wires from pin 9, digital pin 9, 10 and 11 direct to the pin 11, 12 and 13. So go for these 3 pins and connect with jumper, or Google it and check the Arduino ISP. You need the oscillator and 22 picofarad capacitors, and finally 10k ohm resistor from pin number 1 to the positive, and this pin is the reset pin, should be connected to the programmer Arduino pin number 10, like this, and the positive and negative like this should be connected to the project. And this is the hardware layer, and we are going to software. At first we should go to the Arduino Uno compiler and use the sketch and from the example the Arduino Uno ISP. Select this and write down this code to the Arduino. Well, so after this we done everything and we are able to use the Arduino. It's good enough to go into the tools, programmers, and select Arduino as ISP. The next level is going to the tools and select the board type as Arduino NG or older. This is for the reason that no need to download any new atmega8 files, data from the Arduino website, and we use this. And after using the Arduino NG, is good enough to select atmega8 here. Is finished. Now it's time to burn the bootloader. I'm burning the bootloader. It takes a short while. Very well. Now the message is done burning bootloader. one more time we'll take a look to the project. Pin bootloader. Yeah, the TX and RX blinking, transferring the bootloader, and the IC is ready to replace from breadboard to the Arduino Uno, and keep the configuration like this. Just we should change the programmer to the ABRISP MK2, and after this we are able to upload our codes to the atmega8 from Arduino Uno. We have Arduino Uno with atmega8 IC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that limitation I told you before. Bye bye.